everyone, thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 classic vehicles available for sale across North America for under $15,000. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, here we go with today's vehicles for sale. Alright folks, we have another eclectic group today. Here we have a 1967 Jaguar 420, listed for $12,500 US in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's been driven 70,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and is listed in very good condition. From the seller's description, 1967 Jaguar 420 for sale. All new gauges and sensors, all electrical accessories work. Small block GM 350 TH400 3-speed new transmission filter, new Healey brawler 600 CFM carb, new spark plugs, new air cleaner, new radiator with electric fans, new drive shaft, new transmission seals, new tail housing bushings, new tires, new headlights, new gauges, new wiring, new bulbs. Many other repairs have been made. Ask any questions you have and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Has AC but currently not hooked up. We'll need a few odds and ends completed to be perfect. Runs and drives great, gets tons of attention. Okay, up next we have a 1966 Ford Mustang, listed for $13,000 US in Locust, North Carolina. It's been driven 30,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and listed in good condition. From the seller's description, up for sale is my classic 1966 Ford Mustang. I hate to sell it, but due to health issues I must let it go. It has an inline 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. It runs very well for its age and would make a great restoration project, or you could put a V8 in it. This car also has extra parts and paperwork that will go with it. Price is negotiable, but lowballers will be ignored. Alrighty, here we have a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle 300, listed for $15,000 US in Escondido, California. It's been driven 20,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 1967 Chevelle 2-door post, 383 stroker with TH350 transmission, sway bars, Keyway 1 coilovers, 18-inch Riddler wheels, true dual flow master exhaust, Healey carb, brand new painless wiring harness, Sparco seats, steering wheel and harnesses, Van Dam shifter, autometer gauges, sweet hot rod and everything works, clean title, current registration all in my name. And next up, we have a 1968 Mercury Cougar Coupe 2-door. listed for $14,500 in Kokomo, Indiana. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 68 Cougar, 302 motor, automatic transmission, original motor to the car has been rebuilt. Transmission has also been rebuilt. Everything on the car works down to the cigarette lighter. Compressor needs charged, but air will work. Car drives excellent, has new exhaust. One floor pan has been welded in and professionally done. Car has been undercoated. All glass is in nice shape. All windows work fine. Even the AM radio works. I wouldn't call it a show car, but you can drive it wherever you like. Okay, I've seen a lot of VW replicas, but this is an original 1953 MGTD and the first one I've seen under $15,000. It's listed for $13,950 in San Diego, California. It's been driven 57,174 miles, has a manual transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, this TD was with the previous owner since the mid-1970s. Comes with a 1250cc 4-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The engine is matching numbers. This vehicle does run and drive. Factory air cleaner and has a stainless steel exhaust. Drum brakes on the front and rear. Solid wheels with hubcaps. Comes with a good amount of receipts. Burgundy exterior with a black interior. The interior of the vehicle is in good condition and is all complete. The soft top is in good condition with no rips. Comes with all 4 side curtains. Has the original front bucket seats. Seats and dash are in good shape. Aftermarket wood grain steering wheel. Dash is all original and all gauges are in working order. The windshield is in great condition. This TD is solid. Comes with a clean title. Alright, up next we have a 1961 Plymouth Valiant, listed for $9,800 US in Casa Grande, Arizona, and I hope I pronounced that properly. It's been driven 66,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, listed in very good condition, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, beautiful 1961 Plymouth Valiant 4-door has been repainted from a regular white to a pearl white. Unknown on how old the paint is, but still shows well. The odometer shows 66,000, but the speedometer is not working. The entire interior is all new battery, master cylinder, and fuel pump. The radiator has just been cleaned and resealed. The transmission is automatic, controlled by push buttons on the dash. The engine is the dependable slant 6 inline overhead valve engine. It runs and drives great. A dependable, fun car that you can drive and take to a car show. Alright, this is way past my normal 1980 date for cutoff for cars, but this is still an original style, so I thought I'd include it. Someone in my British Car Club actually has one of these, and they're very cool. Here we have a 1994 Rover Mini, listed for $13,950 US in Farmington, Connecticut. It's been driven 17,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1994 Mini, low mileage, collector's car, 27,500 kilometers, which I'm assuming they converted to make that 17,000 miles, and has original paint. Okay, up next we have a 1973 Dodge Charger SE sedan, listed for $12,000 US in Cantonment, Florida. It's been driven 83,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1973 Dodge Charger with a running 440 engine, 727 transmission, 2 doors. Car is 90% complete. Taillight and headlights are in the car. Title is 83,000 miles, but the speedometer has been changed. Alright, let's go north of the border for a minute here. 1980 Triumph TR7, listed for $8,900 Canadian in St. Philippe, Quebec. It's been driven 56,000 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, translated from French, but it's actually a pretty good translation this time. 1980 Triumph TR7 in excellent original condition. 56,000 kilometers, new tires and mags, original wheels and tires are also included with the vehicle. Brakes are new, original interior and roof in impeccable condition. Original owner's manual and car repair manual are included. Everything works great on the car and is a charmed drive. Alright, last one up here, 1960 Austin Healey Buggy Sprite, listed for $12,900 US in Annapolis, Maryland. It's been driven 38,990 miles, has a manual transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, too much to list. Runs, drives. Interested in trades for classic German car or the right boat. Reach out if you are interested. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button so you'll be notified when future videos go live. This series of videos go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also post videos for project cars that I call Fix 'em Up Friday, which will go live every Friday at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to support the channel, please consider a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.